2000 Buick Regal. This one has no odometer display issue. As you can see, the car is running, but no odometer display. So this is a pretty common issue on Buick Regal and Century. It's a fairly easy fix. I'm not going to show how to fix it, but there's several YouTube videos on how to fix it. There's on this one, there's 4 resistors that need to be replaced. I'll include a link in the description of this video to our repair service, and also a link to our 4 resistors that we sell on our website. They're better resistors than the one that were in this cluster. So I'm going to show you how to get this cluster pulled out. As you can see, this entire dash piece needs to come out. Starting here, just get in here. And just pull back on this dash panel. Now on the other side, move this fuse cover. Got my 7mm drill. As you can see, there's a tab right there. Just lift up. And also had to pry this little panel off. So you can see it's blocking. And then also that panel needs to come off as well. It's also blocking this dash panel. Alright, so I pulled this panel back a little bit, and I'm going to try to just wiggle this dash panel out without completely removing it. So we'll see how that goes. I might have to pull it out, but we'll give it a shot. Alright, so I'm starting here on this side, just kind of peel back. Work it out. I'm gonna need both hands. Alright, so fairly easily slipped out right here, so not necessary to pull this out. Just kind of pop it out of the clips, and then I'll be able to pop it back in like that. So pop it out. Alright, so I got it out. Just make sure you drop the steering wheel all the way down, and it just slides right out. And then there's 4 7mm screws around the cluster. As you can see here, the resistors are just falling off the circuit board, pretty much zero connection, so we're just going to install these new resistors to fix the issue. Alright, there it is all back together. And there we got the display. Thanks for watching.